Hi, for my career in development, I decided to talk about being a special education teacher. I'm going to start by talking about the main features of a special education teacher. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, special education teachers work with students who have learning, mental, emotional, or physical disabilities. They adapt general education lessons and teach various subjects to students with mild to moderate disabilities. They also teach basic skills to students with disabilities. What this quote is essentially saying is that despite teaching their students general curriculum material, special education teachers are also responsible for teaching their students basic skills, such as doing laundry and washing dishes, as some students may need to master these skills if they want to live independently one day. Special education teachers can be found in a school setting, similarly to a general education teacher, and they have the ability to work with children from preschool to high school age. They work alongside general education teachers, specialists, administrators, and parents to develop IEPs, or individualized education plans, as each student will need unique accommodations and resources to succeed. Special education teachers can be found in an exclusive classroom, which is a classroom only inhabited by students with special needs, where the special education teacher acts as the main teacher, or in an inclusive classroom where the student with special needs is included in an environment with regular leveled learners. In an inclusive classroom, a special education teacher may act as an aide to that one student or as a figure who helps accommodate tests and classroom material with the general education teacher. To be a special education teacher, you will need a bachelor's degree. You can either get a bachelor's degree in special education or in elementary education with a specialization in special education. Along with your bachelor's degree, you will need a state-issued certification or license to teach. Depending on which state you are planning to teach in, there will be a number of tests you need to take and pass to be certified to teach special education. Once you have a bachelor's degree and a state certification, you can begin applying to jobs. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median pay of special education teachers in 2018 was $59,780. An interesting note is that the median pay of special education teachers was about $1,500 higher than general education teachers. Perhaps the greatest pro of being a special education teacher is that your students make it worthwhile. If anyone needs a great teacher, it's special education students. Teachers recount being a part of their students' successes as a feeling that is unmatched amongst anything else. Another pro is that there's great job availability. Unfortunately, many people avoid taking on the responsibilities of being a special education teacher, so there are usually availabilities in the field. A major con of being a special education teacher is parental misunderstandings. Many parents who have children with special needs don't quite know how to deal with their children, leaving you as a figure who is expected to work miracles. Another con is that you never know what to expect with your students. Each and every student will have their own needs and means to succeed, causing a special education teacher to have to be on their toes 24/7, constantly adjusting methods and teaching strategies amongst each of their students. A great way to prepare to be a special education teacher is to spend time with individuals who have disabilities. Many colleges and universities have clubs such as Best Buddies that allow you to form friendships and relationships with those who may be disabled. Another tip is to pay attention to your coursework. Coursework will most likely cover the paperwork you will usually see as well as different methods to teach different disabilities. Overall, it will prepare you greatly for your career. Your student teaching and classroom observation assignments are your opportunity to absorb everything in a special education teacher's world. Make sure to ask questions about methods of teaching, stories, paperwork, parents, and anything else that may come up in the world. Would I be a special education teacher? Yes, I would absolutely be a special education teacher. Unfortunately, it's a job many people pass up, which I feel is an injustice to those with disabilities. I would like to be able to make a difference in their lives, as I feel that their successes could be more admirable than general education learners' successes.